how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a clownfish. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve right here at the front. Line up to the front of the head area. I'm going to make a space right there and I'm going to continue down the fish's body. Alright. Now I'm going to give it that top fin over here. Curve. Oh, whoops. This marker's kind of drying out. Let me change marker. Curve over here. Out. Out. Like so. We have that fin right there. He's got a very distinctive fin. I'm going to go over here and curve, and I'm going to fill in that fin area. Be careful with these markers, by the way. They do smell bad, and if you inhale them, it's not great. So be very, very careful. Gonna go over here to the bottom, curve underneath. Curve underneath here. Right on. Gonna go over here, curve for the gill. You have the fin coming out of that and pulling in. Dot for the eye right there, and we're gonna draw a little smile, right? Of course. So we're gonna do this black and white version, but it's also gonna be a color. Well, I'm gonna add a little bit of color right here. I'm gonna draw a little bit of a thicker fin right here, and it's gonna give off more of like a dark pattern. But so let's draw the stripes in there. Line over here, thinner line. I'm trying to draw like a thin line. Line over here. Over here. Like so. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add a little bit of color right here. You don't have to do this. I'm gonna do this with marker real quick, and I'm gonna grab an orange. And I'm gonna just fill in a lot of this part. Fill in over here. See, I'm leaving that stripe right there, that white stripe, because that's a big part of their character is the color. Obviously the same fish from Finding Nemo. If you guys haven't seen that, let me know. Or if you guys have seen that, let me know. Do me a favor and say hi to me in the comment section. It's always kind of good when I get some feedback. Like, is there something you want to see on here? Maybe is there a type of fish that I haven't drawn on here before that you'd like to see a tutorial of? Relatively simple and easy, I think. It's always fun and cool to do these types. And there you go. That's a clownfish. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.